Going electric can feel like a big leap. But we've got you all covered and can help sort out your questions and needs. To check if electric will work for you, we can perform a detailed simulation based on your current transport needs. The same method is later used to plan routes and secure ranges in daily electric operations. The electric trucks are built on our proven and flexible platform. We also offer an extensive service contract, including maintenance and repairs, real-time monitoring of critical systems, and a generous uptime commitment. It's a complete package to put you in control. The right truck, digital support services, financial options, and a charging setup to suit your local conditions. We'll be your main point of contact, a solid partner, determined to make your transition a success, and the necessary CO2 cuts a reality. Ready, set, go. Electric.